Welcome to today's video about PRPE for C1000-193 IBM Z, OS v3.x Administrator, Professional Exam. Introduction of IBM Z, OS v3.x Administrator, Professional Exam. C1000-193 Exam Details. C1000-193 Exam Objectives and Knowledge Areas. Best study tips to prepare for the C1000-193 exam. 1. A Z/OS administrator needs to ensure that datasets are automatically assigned to the correct storage class, management class, and data class based on business requirements. Which function should be used? A. v3.x definitions. B. DFSMS storage policies. C. JES spool initialization. D. HMC profile settings. 2. What is the primary purpose of the master catalog in a Z/OS environment? A. To define TCP/IP routing rules. B. To store user password expiration values. C. To locate system and user catalogs used to access datasets. D. To manage job scheduling calendars. 3. An administrator is managing Unix system services on Z/OS. Which task is directly related to USS file system administration? A. Mounting and maintaining ZFS file systems. B. Defining OSPF neighbor relationships. C. Creating JES spool classes. D. Updating HMC activation profiles. 4. Which two are available as Z/OS optional features? Select all that apply. A. C/OS Management Facility. B. Integrated Security Services. C. Hardware Configuration Manager. D. Resource Access Control Facility. E. Hardware Configuration Definition. 5. Which statement best describes the purpose of APF authorization? A. It identifies libraries whose programs may perform authorized system functions. B. It identifies libraries whose jobs may bypass JES scheduling functions. C. It identifies libraries whose users may bypass RACF password functions. D. It identifies libraries whose roots may bypass v3.x validation functions. 6. Which statement best describes the role of CF links in a Z/OS environment? A. They provide coupling facility signaling connectivity used by parallel sysplex functions. B. They provide SQL package connectivity used by dflat2 static bind functions. C. They provide RACF profile connectivity used by SAF authorization functions. D. They provide JES spool connectivity used by SYSOUT scheduling functions. 7. Which statement best describes a portable software instance in Z/OSMF software management? A. It is a packaged software instance that can be deployed through Z OSMF workflows and software management functions. B. It is a packaged JES instance that can be deployed through initiator workflows and spool management functions. C. It is a packaged RACF instance that can be deployed through profile workflows and security management functions. D. It is a packaged VTAM instance that can be deployed through root workflows and network management functions. 8. Why are PARMLIB members important in z/OS administration? A. They store configuration parameters that control system behavior during startup and operation. B. They replace the need for catalogs and storage policies. C. They are used only for printing reports. D. They define physical rack power connections. 9. Which statement best describes the purpose of JCL in a z/OS environment? A. JCL defines how batch jobs are executed, including programs, datasets, and processing steps. B. JCL is used only to configure physical network switches. C. JCL replaces all storage management policies. D. JCL is used only to create graphical dashboards. 10. Which is a step that is performed outside SMP, processing? A. Applying SYSMODs. B. Accepting SYSMODs. C. Receiving SYSMODs. D. Compiling and linking. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe PassCert for more IT exam prep.